Have you ever seen a gift so simple yet so powerful that it brings tears to someone's eyes? Let's discover the amazing story of how an old motorcycle changed everything. The young man went for a walk and spent 500 yuan to buy a motorcycle from the roadside. Looking at its beautiful body, it seemed to be a product of the 70s or 80s. The young man planned to repair this motorcycle on his own and give it to his father-in-law as a birthday gift for his 70th birthday next month. This was supposed to be a happy moment, but when his wife found out, she scolded him, saying that he was wasting his time and behaving irresponsibly. She said the gift should be something meaningful, like a 500-gram gold chain, not some old and broken motorcycle. The young man didn't take her words to heart. Instead, he quietly and secretly began working on the motorcycle repair without letting his wife know. What do you think happened when his wife finally saw the repaired motorcycle? Her reaction might surprise you. What the young man didn't expect was that when he finally finished repairing the motorcycle and showed it to his wife, she was absolutely stunned. She couldn't believe that her husband possessed such incredible craftsmanship. She looked at the restored motorcycle in awe, realizing the effort and skill that had gone into bringing it back to life. When the father-in-law received the motorcycle as a gift, he was overwhelmed with emotion and moved to tears. A flood of memories came rushing back to him, and he immediately wanted to ride the motorcycle to relive the joy of his youth. Since the old man received the motorcycle, even the young man's fancy BMW seemed unimportant to him. He barely even looked at it anymore, treating the motorcycle as his most prized possession. Can you guess what brand this motorcycle is and which year it was made? Write your answer in the comments and see if you guessed it right. The repair process for the motorcycle was a long and meticulous one. Every single spare part was carefully disassembled, cleaned, and reassembled by the young man. If you hadn't watched the entire repair process step by step, it would be hard to believe that such a broken and worn-out motorcycle could come back to life. This story shows the dedication and passion of a true craftsman who works tirelessly to create something extraordinary. Are you enjoying the story? But wait! Many of you watch the videos and just leave without subscribing. If you want to see more inspiring and heartwarming stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your likes motivate us, and your comments help us improve and connect with you better. So, why leave without supporting? Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments box.